Here's a certified 2017 Cadillac Escalade. By being meticulous about what went into building this Escalade, you can get whatever you want out of it. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. Experience it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value